So I forgot to start show from the beginning of my losing my hair, but I'm finally losing my 3 months braids. I'm finally taking down my 3-month fresh curl boho braid. So the same way the putting on is a process, the taking down it's a process. I haven't officially started taking it down. I just have to cut it and I have this one left. So I'm kind of going to show you the process. So I'm going to go like that. So I already know that right where the knot is where my hair hangs. So I'm usually using the knot to guide me. So and this side, because I know that it had time because we didn't really put a lot of hair in this part of the hair, so it's more like just the. So what we do if I go through the cotton. Oh, I think I'm done. Just making sure to sit on my hair, but she's not it. I'm feeling this. The almost done. This is all. I'm gonna put it down and see how it looks. Oh, it's looking good. I really should try doing a bow on my hair because I like it. It's not looking so bad. I actually like it. I like it. It's giving. It's giving. I don't know what's giving, but it's giving vibes. And I'm happy with it. It's like, you guys, are you seeing how now I'm just gonna walk around with it because I kind of like how it looks. It's a plan for, and it looks amazing. But I'm going to section my hair and I'm going to start taking down the braids. Okay, so update. I am losing them series by series and then I'm combing it out and I'm turning it to like twist, if you can see, to like maintain the hair. The process of losing my hair, some of it were cutting like with the attachment because it's old, it's trimmable. I know the consequences when I was keeping my hair long. I knew the consequences and I kept my hair, and now I'm facing the consequences. So my promise to myself, I have been doing a lot of care for myself and I'm going to focus on my hair. This year I'm going to work on my hair. So I'm going to be more intentional about how I care for my hair, the way I care for my skin, my mental health and every other aspect of my life. I'm going to give that same love to my hair because it deserves to be loved. So I'm like going section by section and I lose it all and then I comb it out and then I put it in braids. I have a process, I have a system. It's gonna take me minutes, but it's gonna be worth it in the end. I want this to be a lesson to you. Please do not keep braids like protective style. Yes, it's a protective style, but it's only protective style for a short period of time. When it starts getting to a long period of time, it actually damages your hair. And with that, I'm going to meet you in the next update where I've done this part that I brought out and